Dance, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? Stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned for this whole video where I'm going to show you how I curl my hair, okay? Method is going to be a really quick one, okay? It's not going to be long at all. It's just going to be very quick, okay? So you start out with two, okay? With two parts, all right? And then I'm just going to put one up, all right? Put one up. I'm just looking to see which kind of spoon, which kind of combs or brushes I should use. I'll just use this one, okay? I'll just show you guys. So first, bear with me, okay? Because this is my first time curling my hair and recording it at the same time. I don't know if I should be speaking in this video or just, but we'll see. So we just take, so this method, okay, this method is going to be it's supposed to be like a straight method, okay? It's not gonna be too curly. It's not gonna be too curly at all. So you put it going towards the back, okay? And then, I'm looking at my other mirror. You put it towards the back, and then as you get to the tip, you just let it fall, okay? You see it? Did you all see it? Okay. And then we do that again. I feel like I should come closer because that's where my light is. So you do another section, nothing big, okay? The sections are not supposed to be big. And it's not supposed to be small either, okay? And you curl the hair going backwards, all right? I don't know why this is acting up now, because I'm filming, it's acting up. So when I get here, I start to twist it. So like I said, this is supposed to be like not too curly. I still want it to kind of look straight, okay? But just a little curl at the tip. So that's why I'm curling the hair using my flat iron, okay? Using my flat iron. You see? You see? It's not supposed to be too curly. We don't want it to be too curly. Just a little curl. That's it. Nothing too crazy. I still wanted to have that like long look to it, you know? Oh, this is really hot. It's at 450 degrees. I think I might put it a little bit lower, bring it to 380 because it's hot. Okay, see? We're done with one side. Okay, you see? See how it looks? It looks loose. It still looks long, but just a few little curl at the end. So you get to both flat iron the hair and also curl it at the same time. You see the difference? See the difference? See? You see? I think I'm gonna pause the camera to take a picture. This might be my, you know, it might be the picture that you guys see that I'm going to put. All right, so we're going to curl this side now, okay? See that side? Now we're gonna do it for that side. Oh. Now we've curled this section. This section is all curled up, okay, as you can see. And this one is straight. So now we're going to curl this one. And like I told you, like I mentioned, this is just gonna be like a quick, you know, curl, not too much curl, just a little bit, you know, not too much curls, just a little bit curls, okay? More towards the end. And also, I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using my flat iron. So I'm gonna make another video where I show you, I could also curl my hair, hold on, using my curling iron, okay? But using the curling iron, it's more defined. But if you want it to be more loose and still retain most of the length, or if you want to like make it look even straighter, I usually just use my regular flat iron, okay? So this is the left side of my hair, okay? The left side of my head. I usually have better luck with the right side of my head. So let's see. So you want to detangle the hair first. So I obviously took a bigger chunk, okay, than I did on my right side, okay? See how this side is, this one is still kind of like with no curl pattern, okay? And then that one does have it. It's all good. You can just take this little piece and just, ooh, it's hot. Can you all see? Okay, now it has a curl pattern, right? But don't worry, see how it's like loose at the end? All right. And so I just do it, so I do each side, I divide each side into 3 smaller sections, okay? And this is the kinky hair, okay? And look how straight it feels. Like I said, I just love a good old kinky hair. Okay. I like it to have a little volume throughout, so that's why I kind of pause. Okay, I kind of pause. And I just prolong it as I curl it. See? And then you just twist it. Okay? They're going to end up looking like sisters, but not identical. And this part, you see, you make it go backwards. I don't know why I always do go click click. Every time I'm going click click. You see? I'm looking at my other mirror as I do this. Okay. You see? And that's basically it. You see? And then I just twist them like that. Okay, twist them like that. See? Because you still get that length with just a little bit of volume. Not too much. Not too much. And let me show you the back. How's the volume? How's the curl pattern in the back? You see? Just kind of loose curls, right? Loose curls. See? Beautiful. I can't. All right, so let me know your thoughts, my natural kinky hair girls. So this is my protected style, you know. I rock it, I go out. You know, I look like I just spent like 3 hours at the hair salon, right? Right, y'all? But no, she just spent, like usually when I'm not filming, it takes me like literally 10 minutes to do my hair. No, maybe 15 to do my hair, because in the very beginning, in the morning, don't worry about this, y'all, don't worry about that. I'm gonna do a review and tell you guys why this is happening. But anyhow, in the morning, I just get up and I'm gonna make another video about my morning routine, okay, for my hair. It takes me 15 minutes to get my hair ready. And I leave the house, I look like I just got out of the hair salon for like 3 hours. Okay. I look like I spent 3 hours at the hair salon. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts, y'all. Do you think this is something you can also, you know, do? Is it feasible? Is it easy? Is it hard? I feel like this part is more curlier than this one, right? Like I said, they're supposed to be sisters, not twins, okay? All right. Thank you, my beautiful people. See you in the next video. Once again, as always, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Dance, beautiful people. Mwah.